Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is I posted a LinkedIn story, this is what happened next. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, if you've not subscribed already, today's topic, I posted a LinkedIn story, this is what happened next. LinkedIn stories are not viewable. I'm logged in at LinkedIn and you can see my homepage. LinkedIn stories are not viewable from the homepage. So I'm going to insert now some footage from my phone, just demonstrating where LinkedIn stories are and how you can add to them. After that, I'm going to talk about the results of posting a LinkedIn story. So I'll come back to the desktop view after I've inserted the phone footage. Okay, just using an app called Go Record. Here I am on my phone, logging into LinkedIn. You can see at the top there are the LinkedIn stories of my first degree contacts. I'm just going to scroll those now so you can see that they move. If I wanted to add to my LinkedIn stories, I click on the add button that you can see at the top here and here. So I could go to, I'm just going to go to recent pictures to demonstrate. I could use one of those recent pictures or videos to become a LinkedIn story. I could also create a video by clicking and hold. So instead of when the circle button comes up to take a picture, it could also be a video. Just click and hold and it will become a video. So that's LinkedIn stories in case you're not aware. I'm now going to return to the desktop view. Okay, you've now seen the phone footage and how easy it is obviously to use a LinkedIn story. If you've not watched my other video on LinkedIn stories, why most people are not using LinkedIn stories, I'll put a card up now and you can click and watch that and then come back to this video. The results, what were the results? The results were that as you saw, I'm going to show you some screenshots from my actual story. Bear with me. The stories disappear after 24 hours, so I've had to take a screenshot of my actual story so that I can talk about it. It was a simple one. Another great webinar and Q&A this morning. Thanks everyone. So I just posted that and I had 15 viewers and I've got almost 6,000 connections. So 15 viewers is not a lot. It's a low percentage of my connections clicked on the story. Remember the story, when they show up in the feed, it just says share the story. It doesn't give you any headline or a thumbnail or anything, so people don't know what they're clicking on. They just see a notification saying a certain person, in this case obviously myself, Mike Pitt, shared a story, and 15 people clicked on that and had a look at it. Okay, let's close this because there is something else that you can learn. Not just the numerical value. So numerical value for this story, my first ever story, was 15 viewers. Okay, let's go to another screen. If you click on the 15 viewers, it gives you a list of those people, actual people who clicked on your story. So, and there's an opportunity to send a message to them direct from the stories. I'm going to jump from this screen to a couple more screens demonstrating the other names. So here are some more of the 15 people that clicked on my story. There's the second screenshot. Here's the third screenshot of the 15 people who are my direct first degree connections who clicked on my story. One person is anonymous there, but the others are not. Let's get back to LinkedIn. So I just want to wrap this up now. So you've seen that when you share a story from your LinkedIn mobile app, you'll get data that says how many people saw your story within 24 hours. And for me, and with my first ever story, is 15. And then if you click on that again, you can get an actual list of people who clicked on your story and viewed it. So sharing a story gives you the opportunity to collect data on the number of people that opened your story or viewed your story within 24 hours. And for me, it was 15 people. And then it gives you the actual people. By clicking on that on the number, you can see the actual people who are first degree connections who clicked on your story. You can then use the opportunity to contact them either via LinkedIn or direct via email, and maybe there's some opportunities for work there, or just to restart communications with clients, ex-clients, potential clients. So there are some opportunities there. Whether that's unique or something that you can also achieve by posting on your profile and being active in groups remains to be seen. So we'll see if there are any unique benefits of stories. But that's my quick summary of what happened when I posted a story on LinkedIn, because I've seen a few videos about how to use LinkedIn stories. I've not seen so many videos about what happens when you post them and whether there are any unique benefits. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a like. Click on one or two screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye. If you've not subscribed already,